Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you 2012, this is the very last, the S185s, Bobcat S185 K-Series machine, just 2,160 hours. It is cab, heat, air, power quick attach, 7-pin attachment control device, has the sound deadening package in it, which was a gold package. Machine is fully serviced and ready to go to work. And we get this every week because we do something a little different here at Mark Supply Company. When I sell a machine, I have no regrets. We have done a complete service on this machine. Engine oil, hydraulic filter, fuel filter, both inner and outer air filter, both inner and outer cabin filters. We have done the hydraulic charge fan filter. We've done the K-strain filters in this machine. We have checked all axle bearings, chain case. We've checked this thing for any functionality component possible. Everything works. We know our Bobcat stuff inside and out. We do it every day of the week here, and I know what I have. This is a pre-admissions, last of the K-Series S185s before they went to an S570 or a 590. Kubota machine with no admissions. So come on back here. We're going to start you around the engine compartment, take you completely around the machine. Back door, obviously, we have painted. Back door's been painted, and the gray has been painted on this machine. We've touched up some on the white corners, but it's a very nice, respectable machine. It is not a piece of junk, and it is in nice condition. Machine is powered by a Kubota V2607 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, which puts out 66 horsepower. Again, at 2158, we started marking all our filters so we can prove that we've done it. Hydraulic, engine oil, fuel, both inner and outer airs, and then underneath the cabin there we've done the hydraulic charge fan filter and the K-strain filter. This machine, when it came in here, the AC compressor pump bolt down here was broke. Bobcat was using one single bolt, and their infinite wisdom on that was kind of stupid, and the update is to use 2 short bolts. Well, instead of having the compressor welded or something like that and have a failure, there's a $640 compressor from Bobcat, and I can give you the receipt for it if you'd like to have it. We put on, had it vacuumed, charged, and the AC works. And we did put a new belt on it, I believe, while we were at it. There again, I've done my homework. I know what I have, and I know what I got, and I know that this stuff works. That's stuff that always bugs me. I like stuff to be right. We did put a brand new battery in it also. We'll go ahead, shut up the engine compartment. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, leaks, blood, anything like that. One other thing, right up here is your overflow jug. This overflow jug had a little crack in it, so we went ahead and put a brand new overflow jug in. And your condenser, hydraulic cooler, and radiator is all underneath there. Back corners are nice and straight. Boom itself's nice and straight. Boom here, this is all original white paint. We did do these corners. Down here is all original. You can still see the zinc plating. Hydraulic oil level is right where it's supposed to be. We put 4 brand new 10/16 5D stone heavy duty tires with rim guard on. Brand new CID Extreme 66-inch long bottom bucket. You can see here we have 2-pin skidlers quick attach with hydraulic power Bobcat. Auxiliary hydraulics, this is your K-strain 7-pin attachment control device. You can see here the other side matches up just the way it's supposed to on the other side. Cab is nice and straight. Grab handles are good. They're not twisted, bent in. Windshield wiper arm and blade is good. Couple little scuffs in the glass, nothing major, just pointing it out. Well, the guys would not tell you that. We'll take you inside here and we'll show you the inside of the cab. Cab itself is in very good condition inside. The material inside the cab is still nice. There is, right here on the seat, there's one little, these are just some little cracks, but right there is one little wee nick that did not warrant putting a whole brand new seat in this machine. Throttle, standard control machine, so it's hand and foot. Keyless dash, we'll go ahead and start it. Heater in this thing works amazing. Which this time of year it better. Active warnings, no active warnings. We'll jump back a screen here and we're going to go to loader features, vitals. You can see our oil pressure, engine coolant temperature, voltage system, which is nice. Come back here. take you up here. We're going to get right through 2,160 hours, 1,130 RPM, 13.8 volts, no air codes. Cab heat air, again, there's for your air conditioning. Washer pump, everything there works the way it's supposed to. We did put a brand new coupler here. All the louvers and vents are in. Brand new cabin filter. Look, at the end of the day, I try to get through my stuff, so I know what I have. A lot of people don't do that. They're buying auction junk and putting junk back out on the line to sell it. I'm not buying auction junk, and one thing's for sure, I am putting out a good product. Reader feedback, I'm not out to hurt nobody. We try to be 110% honest, put out a good product, and get through and do our service work so we know what we have. At the end of the day, it's always used equipment, but I never put something out for sale that I feel is going to give someone a problem. Send it to an auction sale, because that's where that stuff belongs to be. So we're going to go, I'm going to fire this machine up, I'm going to run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. We'll unhook the bucket, I'll take it down there and push in a pile with it for you, that kind of thing, so you can see that it is a good running working machine. So here we go. try to take the time here to go above and beyond what anybody else does on the internet. That thing has a heater in it that will roast you out of there. The thing is unbelievable. If you're looking for a good running working S185, here it is. This thing has a feel to it, and I know people might say that, or people have heard that before. It just has a nice feel to it. The hydrostat's really good and solid. The chains are tight in the case. The machine really handles like a dream. Not because it's mine, but I'm just being very truthful. It really does handle very, very nice. If you have any questions, want to come by and see it yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. I have absolutely nothing to hide. This is a 2012. It is a 2,160-hour machine. I have spent over $1,600 in the shop doing a service. That doesn't include the tires or the bucket. Just going through with that air conditioning pump. I know what this machine is. Every stitch of glass is in the cab, and I guarantee this machine to be 110%. And it's not an aerosol overhaul. We did touch up some paint, but we did it the right way, not with a shaky can. So if you have any questions at all, please let us know. This stuff, when it's gone forever. It's done. Here lately, we've been exporting some of these to Taiwan. They like these machines over there. This one here, I just have too much in for their liking and taste in price range, but long story short, these machines with the Kubota motors in them, when they are gone, they're done. You're not going to see any more of them. And the new engine, I'm just not 100% sold on it yet. This is pre-emissions, tried, true, and tested Kubota V2607 engine. So if you're looking for a good, solid machine, here is one to consider. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.